Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about how does a pregnancy test kit work. So let's get into the video. Pregnancy tests work by checking your urine for a hormone called human chorionic gonadotropin or HCG. Your body only makes this hormone if you are pregnant. HCG is released when a fertilized egg attaches to the lining of your uterus when pregnancy begins. The test window shows two lines, one for the control line C to make sure the test worked and another the test line T that shows the positive result. If both the lines C and T shows up even if the test line is very faint, that's a positive result or you're pregnant. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.